Lottie. So today's video is based on my zodiac sign. So I am a Scorpio. I am born in November. So I am going to set my hairstyle, my outfit and my makeup today based on Scorpio look. So I found a few pictures on Pinterest with all the zodiac colors and stuff, and we're going to go based on those. So for today's look, I've already done my hair. I used this picture here, and you can see Scorpio's over here, and basically it's a high messy ponytail. So I have tried to put it up in a high messy ponytail as much as I can. My hair is dirty and I'm about to head to the hairdressers, so I've just done my best with that. For my outfit at the end, I will show you what I am wearing, but basically I used this picture here, and this is the Scorpio there. So it's like an oversized jumper or t-shirt with some black skinny leg jeans, some white shoes, some glasses, and then if you want accessories as well. Now I don't have a beanie, so I won't be wearing that. I'm not going to be taking a backpack with me, so I won't do that. And obviously I'm not carrying around a plant, so I'm not going to be doing that part either. Now for my makeup, I am basing it on this picture here. So the Scorpio eye is a green look. Now I did see a lot of ones out there had red eye looks for Scorpio. However, I do red quite a bit, so I thought I would choose this picture because it is something different. So we're going to do that for the eyes. For the lips, this is Scorpio here. Oops, let me zoom in. So it's a baby pink with a bit of a glitter topper. So we'll do that. And I'm using this picture here for my blush. So it's basically like a peachy blush. So that's what my look today is going to involve. So if you want to see how I do this, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, make sure you hit thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump. finished look. So what do you guys think? Do you like this one? I actually really do. It's something that I wouldn't normally do, so I really like it. Alright, if you liked this video, make sure you hit thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Here's the outfit. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.